Let's study about ACL today. So there are two types of ACL, named and numbered. In named and numbered, there are two types. It is standard and extended. So first let's finish standard. So in standard ACL, we write the ACL command in router 1, that is close by to the destination. In extended ACL, we write the command close by to the source. I don't want you to ask why close by to the source or why not close by to the destination. You will understand at the end of this video why we write extended ACL close by to the source and why standard ACL close by to the destination. So we are going to write standard ACL. So this is my source now. These all are my source and this is my destination, my internet. This is my internet and this is my server. So I'm going to router 1. So in router 1, let's plan what to remove, what to add. So I don't want the entire 40 network to use my internet, and I want 20.network to use my internet or server. So I will go to router 1 and write the command. It's very simple. So as I explained it, the numbered ACL for standard, it starts from 1 to 99. So I write access list. So the number we are writing is standard. So anything between 1 to 99, let's take 10. Okay, access list 10. Which one to deny? Okay, deny or permit. See here, we have three options: deny, permit or remark. Okay, so we're going to concentrate on deny and permit. So which one to deny? Let's write which one to deny first, then we'll think about permitting, because first one we are concerned about the security. Okay, so first one will deny. Okay, see here, after deny you'll get an option. You want host means one IP address. Okay, any means all the IP address, or you just have to write the IP address. So I will write the entire 40.network. Okay, after that I'm going to write the wildcard mask. Wildcard mask will be like what to match, what not to match. I just wanted to tell that don't allow entire 40.network to get into my internet or my server. So what I do is I type 0.255.255.255, finish. So now it is not going to work. Okay, see, before I bind it to the interface, I want to show you that my 40.network can ping my server. Let's go to the command prompt, ping 60.0.0.2. Let's try and ping. Yes, it can talk. Okay, don't think that I have written ACL, it shouldn't talk. I still didn't put it to the interface. Okay, now it should talk to internet 30.0.0.2. it should talk. This is ARP request happening, so one packet is lost. Okay, so I go to the router now. Sorry, I have to go to this router 1, not router 0. I have to bind it to close by to the destination. Okay, so I have denied. No, I have to, after I say no, I have to say yes as well. So 10.0 permit. Okay, permit any. I say deny only 40, permit other any network. I don't care. Okay, I just don't trust 40 network. Permit any means permit anybody. Okay, so now we have to decide where to bind this. Let's bind here itself. Okay, so no, let's bind it here. Okay, this Ethernet 1/0. So what I do is I go to the router 1 and then go to the interface Ethernet. What was that? Ethernet 1/0. Okay, now I type IP access group. What was the number for access list? It was 10. I'm binding it. I'm telling you that, don't let this group to get in. So what I tell? Out. Finish. Now I wanted to show you something. I go to this 40 and I want to ping the same address which I was able to ping. Let me check that. There might be some problem. There was no problem. Actually, I tried to ping for my server. I didn't deny for my server. I didn't tell access list not to talk to my server. Server means this. I didn't deny here. Didn't you see I had binded in this interface Ethernet 1/0. Obviously it will not talk. Yes, so do not get confused. So I go to this and 20.network and I try to talk to my internet 30.0.0.2. It will talk. It will talk because I said permit anybody. Okay, now I'll go to this computer and then try to ping. Sorry, 30.0.0.2. Yes, destination unreachable. Yes, so I cannot use internet. So this 14.network cannot use internet and 20 network can use internet. So this is how in company it works. We permit some network, we don't permit some network. But if you want, the problem with numbered ACL is if I want to make I don't believe this guy, the 20.0.0.20 guy. So if I want to add him to the access list, I have to delete the entire 10.access list. So in the next video you will understand how the numbered access lists work. I think you understand in this short video, understood about standard ACL. We will come with extended ACL in the next video. We'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.